Police found this girl alone on the street when they saw her face. They discover something alarming. Usually, when midnight passes, silence floods the streets. Yes, almost no one travels at those times because it can be very unsafe. And of course, no one expects to see a girl walking alone in the cold and imminent danger. But one day in October 2017, this was exactly what was happening on the streets of Plano, Texas late at night. A person saw from her balcony a girl of approximately 4 years old wandering in an avenue late at night. She was utterly alone with no adults accompanying her. However, despite the potential danger she might be in, the girl didn't appear to show any signs of distress or concern. The woman called the authorities. Just before 6 a.m. on October 30th, 2017, the police received a call. Of course, it didn't take them long to reach the place and meet the little girl. They soon set out to get to the bottom of the matter. It was essential to know who she was, why she was there, where her parents were, and if they were around. A spokesman for the local police named David Tilney told the media what the girl had said. She told us her name was Kimberly and she was also able to tell her age. She also told reporters the girl was going to a child protection center. A trained specialist would wait for Kimberly to interview her and find out more about what happened. And while the girl seemed okay, there was one element in particular that put them on alert when they saw her face up close. The girl was wearing makeup, and when you find a girl entirely alone on the street with lipstick on her face, it's natural that alarms blare. The police's main concern was finding her parents or guardian. The authorities decided to go online to locate Kimber's parents or the person who might have information. Fortunately, the police found the girl's parents' location. They confirmed that Kimber had reunited with her parents and thanked everyone who'd helped share the information. The police learned that Kimber was spending the night with her grandfather. According to local media, the girl had woken up early. She painted her face with the makeup of her deceased grandmother as if playing games. She left the apartment and walked towards the street without disturbing her grandpa. Officer Riley stated that Kimber's story was not unique. It's common for children to leave the house while their parents sleep. You have to be very careful. The detectives will continue investigating the case to confirm Kimber had wandered away from home independently. For now, everyone is relieved the girl is safe and sound. This story teaches us to be more careful with our children. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads.